Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to report someone on Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Friends option. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add a Friend. Now, before we proceed, I want to mention that this is just an example for demonstration purposes. This tutorial is not intended to encourage reporting someone randomly, so please only use this feature when you have a legitimate reason to report another user. Next, you'll see a designated field where you need to enter the friend code of the person you want to report. Type in the friend code and then click on Profile link. This will take you directly to that person's Steam profile page. Once you're on their profile, click on the More button. This is an important step, so pay attention here. Every time you want to report someone on Steam, you should always go to their profile first and click on this More button. It's the gateway to accessing the reporting options, so make sure you remember this for future reference. After clicking More, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Report Player. This will open up Steam's reporting interface where you can start the process. Now you'll be presented with a list of reasons for reporting. Take a moment to select the reason that best describes why you're reporting this person. The options typically include things like harassment, cheating, offensive content, or other violations of Steam's community guidelines. Choose the one that matches the situation accurately. Once you've selected your reason, click on Submit this account for review. After clicking that, you'll see a designated field where you can provide detailed information about the incident. This is your opportunity to explain what happened in your own words. Be as specific as possible. Include any relevant details about the behavior or incident that led you to report this person. The more information you provide, the better Steam's review team can understand the situation and take appropriate action. After you've entered all the necessary details, click Submit Report. Your report will now be sent to Steam's moderation team for review. Here's something important to keep in mind. Steam reviews all reports manually, which means actual people will look at your submission. However, you generally won't receive updates on the outcome of your report. Steam keeps these matters confidential to protect everyone's privacy. That said, if the person you reported has repeated violations, they can face serious consequences, including warnings, communication bans, trade restrictions, or even permanent account bans, depending on the severity of their actions. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully submitted a report on Steam, helping keep the community safe for everyone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.